Good morning, YouTube. We're back at the shop, and today we're fixing things for the cats.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
For your channel, my name is Dan. That is Josh, and we need to move the Roush out of the way because we're gonna add a cat door to the building so that the cats can go outside and murder things. That's a good thing. So people have been asking, how are the cats doing? Well, they are fine as far as we can tell. The orange cat, Dino, does seem to come out once in a while. Yep. Remove that. There you go. I'll just park it right there. That's all you need. Mustang. Very Mustang sounding. Yes, so the orange cat seems to come around and say hi to us, but gray cat still very scared of us. You like the catnip? Oh, bye-bye. But they did murder a, well, rat, not a mouse, a rat. So we're happy about that. That's a great thing. But now we want to add a cat door. We're gonna add it back there so that they can go in and out as they please. Part of the concern we have is like if we have the doors open and they get outside, they need to be able to come back inside. And we got this thing right here, this little cat door. Ooh. So we gotta cut holes in our precious building. I guess we're supposed to do it up a little bit so that they have to walk up into it or something. I don't know.
Like that?
Yeah, something like that. So
Alright, I'll get a Sharpie, outline it, we'll cut a hole, and then we'll go from there.
Alright, step one. We're gonna have to put some sort of thing in the middle because we don't want them like getting stuck in the wall, and we think that thing's too, it's not wide enough. Oh, the other thing we have to do is fix the upstairs because we had to rip out all the carpeting and the floors to repair the ACs. Yeah, the joys of owning a business and your own property.
Yeah, we don't have a landlord we can call and be like, hey, I need you to come fix this for
Hey,
us.
come take care of these mice. Ah, that sucks. You want to put it, yeah, basically in the center, otherwise it won't fit on the...
I know people are probably going to be like, well, you should do it this way because this, and that. I don't care.
I am so glad that you've become bitter to the world of YouTube, now that you're a participant. Well, I have someone I can commiserate with.
I don't even use social media because I just can't stand the internet people. Like
how much they complain about everything.
Yeah, it's just like.
Did it work? Then who cares?
Yeah, exactly.
That's my motto. These people would never be able to survive a startup.
No.
Where it's
they all have, the people that say stuff like that all have 9-to-5 desk jobs.
Yeah, because you can't survive a startup trying to be so accurate. It's all about like, get shit done. Everything else doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna cut a hole to get the Sawzall in there. Actually, I could probably cut the whole thing with this. See what works better.
Yeah. That one hurts my ears more.
Yeah, this is really loud.
You can always just square it off. It doesn't have to be round.
The insulation's fireproof, isn't it?
Yeah?
Okay. The wall
fire resistant. I don't know if it's fireproof.
You don't need the insulation behind the wall catching on fire.
Right? That would be a big problem. Nice. It's pretty sharp as hell in the corner, so be careful.
Kind of figured it was gonna be a little
tight
off.
squeeze, but
Let's cut a little more
yeah,
off
it's
the
just
bottom.
Yeah, it'll fit. Take a little force. These kitties better appreciate this. Yes! Alright.
Okay, now
Go to the other side. This is where it gets difficult.
yeah, because we're gonna have to extend this tunnel somehow. Because this isn't long enough to go all the way through.
Right.
And then we're gonna have to go to the store and get some really long screws. Ace Hardware. Because this
Yeah.
goes on the other side and attaches it. So
Yep.
we're gonna have to get some plastic or something. I'll have to go to the store real quick and see what I can find.
Yeah.
That'll work for me.
I mean,
But we can cut the hole on the other side for now.
yeah, we can cut out the insulation, cut out the hole. We need to build some sort of something to keep them in. I mean, you could use spray foam, but
For what?
it's like fill in the gap.
Oh, I mean it's not really necessary. We don't need to. Because if I get something to wrap around this to make like the tunnel that goes all the way through, and then this is screwed on and that touches the back of this, they
Yeah.
can't get inside there at all.
Yeah, we also got to worry about water coming in, because that's going to be on the outside.
We can seal it with silicone.
No, I mean like into here.
Oh. Well, maybe we want to put this on the outside.
But I don't think that's waterproof. 'Cause here's the battery.
How are we going to do that?
Maybe that is
We're going to have to
waterproof.
put a little roof over.
I guess maybe that's waterproof? No, you want this on the inside.
So what we're going to have to do then is put a little roof over it. We can make something out of this metal. Attached. You know what I mean?
A little awning?
Yeah, a little
A
awnings.
little cat awning, okay.
I mean, what else can we do?
I guess. I mean, that's why I was saying, like, you build it up on the inside with some spray foam and stuff, and I don't know. Well, let's cut the hole and figure that out. There's our little pilot hole we drilled through. Marked it out. We're gonna cut on the outside. It's kind of a nice day out. Oh, blue bonnets, yeah.
Might have to get another bit for this.
Oh, is it? Oh, we got more though.
Yeah.
Not cutting through very well anymore.
I know it works, it just wears down.
Oh yeah.
You don't get dull. They just wear out.
They just go away. Alright, that thing's gone.
Yeah, go grab another one.
Okay. Yeah. Whoop. Kick it in. No. Shit. It's 2 layers thick? Or it's just the insulation? Yeah, it's just the insulation.
Oh, it didn't get all the way through in a few spots.
Oh, okay. Gonna pull out. We need a screwdriver. Or a hammer.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Might have to go through.
There we go. What happens if it just...
Ooh. Oh, nice. There it goes.
So we're gonna have to cut up here so that it lays flat, and we'll just have to silicone
Yeah.
around
And
it.
same at the bottom.
Ouch.
Hot?
Very hot and very
Yeah.
sharp.
I bet. Yay. Oh yeah. I'll just silicone goop the shit out of that
Yep.
thing.
And I'll make a little awning right here. But maybe get some pavers, like 3 pavers, and put
Oh yeah,
right
yeah.
there. Or
There you
something.
go. Nice. Oh, a little cat entrance.
So I need to go find some long bolts
Yeah.
or screws, and then something to wrap around that.
See, I think we need to put something in there so that they can't make a left or right.
No, the tunnel. They won't be able to
Oh, okay.
with the tunnel. The tunnel will
To be close.
touch the back of this.
Oh, okay.
In theory.
So it'll be really close anyway.
Yeah.
I present the cat door. Ta-da!
It's funny. The cat was.
Oh, the cat was totally,
outside
yeah.
cutting the hole, and the cat was staring at me through the cat door.
They're definitely interested. They're like, "Ooh, what is this?" So we'll see if they go in and out.
Hi, buddy. He's right here.
Is he right there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you are. Meow. It's like, what's going on? Well, I just stood here. Sorry.